Hello everyone, it's me the Wolf back again with a quick video. And what is happening in the Bitcoin price? It is going up and down like simultaneously. And just a quick trade update in today's video. And I exited all my trade. Yes, I did it with some loss, but I did it. Why I did and why I changed my perspective, let's see all of that in just a couple of minutes. Look at this huge dump we saw in the Bitcoin's price. This main spike right here, as you can see. So basically what happened is that yesterday that I made a video that the Bitcoin price broke a level to the upside and came down for a retest. Well, actually it did not did a retest, and if I show you guys, then you can clearly see that this was not a breakout, this was a fake out right there. And the Bitcoin's price on yesterday's candle, this green candle, this was the real breakout of it. And if the price sustains above this level, then only we can go long, but unfortunately it did not happen. The next daily candle came and made more than 50%, covered more than 50% of the area of the bullish candle. That means that sellers are there in the market, and the price managed to close below my main level. And as you can see, it is facing a rejection from here and this here. So this means that there are sellers in the market, and going long from here is not a very nice idea. Guys, I exited my trade. So you remember that my stop loss was somewhere over here and my take profit was at $48,000 level, but I exited here only because I know that holding my losing trade won't get me anything, and my losses will only get bigger. And that's what I recommend you all to do, that cut your losses as soon as possible and hold your profit as long as possible. So from this moment I knew that the price can't go to the upside very easily, and if it does, then we'll capture the move again. It's not a big deal. But right now I exited my trade because no one knows the future. All we know is this chart right here and how we make money through this chart. So I just closed my buy bid position. I will show you that also in a couple of minutes. And also I just want to show you guys this main price action that I just found. Look at this support line right here. We can clearly see this support, this main support, and this resistance line here. And we saw a fake out because the price went to follow this purple resistance zone. Then again, and then it did a breakout and completed the trend line target of resistance, this resistance. So there are chances that if we see a reversal from here, the price can easily come down to this white support trend line to complete its target. Why? First of all, there is this main resistance that is now acting as a support for the price. So price can come down for a touch here at this support and simultaneously complete its next target of this white trend line here also. So if I see a reversal pattern or a bearish pattern, I will definitely make a video on it, and I will definitely take a trade on it, a bearish short trade on it too. So coming to the weekly time frame to show you guys analysis so that you can easily understand it. The price is in a uptrend, as you can clearly see. Low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and then new higher high. So as I said earlier, there are chances that the price can come down for a retest or a new higher low at somewhere here, which is at approx, I can say, $29,000 to $30,000 level. So if we look at the weekly recent candles, clearly see that the price never gave a perfect breakout to the upside of this main resistance right here, or the candle never closed perfectly above this level. As you can clearly see, this faced rejection and this faced a rejection right over here also as well. And as we can clearly see, the price did a breakout in this last week candle, but now it is coming again. If this candle sustains to the upside, then there are some other chances as well, other scenario. But what I am seeing is that the couple of weeks and months can be bearish for the Bitcoin price. And not only this, guys, but look, back to back we are seeing green candles. This green candle, this green, this green, this green, breaking out all the levels without any retest. So this signifies that the the bulls can get exhaust now, and so the bears can enter the market for sure. So this level right here ranges from 36,400 to 31 or 32,000, and this purple zone is also very important. So that is approx from $30,000 to 31.5, I can say approx. So this is my Bitcoin's latest trade that I took with you, and you can clearly see I exited both the trades recently in last few hours only, with a barely any loss of $1,000. And I don't feel any bad, because the last stellar trade that we took, we made around more than $20,000 on that. So this $1,000 loss is nothing, and we'll surely recover it and make a good amount of money in future as well. So yeah, I just want to be transparent with you guys that this is it for today's video. I hope you understand that what is happening in the Bitcoin's world and how to manage your trade perfectly, how to exit the trade, when to exit the trade, what confirmations you have to see, and why I exited my trade with a loss. And yes guys, I showed you everything with live proof. That's it on my Bybit app. If you want to create an account on Bybit, you can do that. Link is in the description. You can create an account for free and can get $30,000 gift too.